Hello children. So today we are going to study about a poem written by John Lee. So 2.5 The Silver House. Here the poet is comparing moon as silver house. So he is saying there's a silver house in the lovely sky as round as a silver crown. So he is saying that this silver house is as round as a silver crown. Now silver crown, see in previous days or time, silver coin. Crown is known as silver coin. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. So you all know that it takes 15 days to build it up, means from new moon day to full moon day. Yes, and 2 weeks to pull it down, that is from full moon day to new moon day. Now new moon day means no moon. There is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. Now here the poet is saying that there is someone staying alone, but we don't know his name or nobody is wanting to say his name. Yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. So what is the poet saying? That at night whenever you are going to sleep, draw the window blind. Now window blind is curtains, and just open the curtain and peep out at the silver moon and see the silver moon, this lonely man to find this lonely man. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, that means if it is a new moon day, that means there will be no moon, bare is unclothed, full empty, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. So he's saying then you go to bed, sleep, you cannot see the moon and the poor man won't be there. Is it clear? The silver house. See, we have some figures of speech. As round as a silver crown. So as is coming, that means it is direct comparison, that is simile. Yes, the moon is compared to a silver coin. Then this lonely man to find, this is inversion. The correct order is to find this lonely man. Is it clear? Rhyming scheme of first paragraph is A, B, C, B. Why? Sky is A, imagine, okay. Crown, is it a rhyming word of sky? No, then it is B. Up, is it a rhyming word of crown or sky? No, then it is C. Down, is it a rhyming word of up? No. Crown, yes, so we had put B here, so it will be coming B, that is A, B, C, B. Clear? Okay.